Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between Coinbase or crypto.com. And before starting this comparison video, I want to make one thing clear. And that is before starting this video, I won't tell you which application is better because both applications are great platforms, but I will tell you which platform fits you the best. So let's start right here with the comparison video, and I wrote down 5 topics and I will tell you the differences between those 5 topics. So those topics are, in my opinion, very important things to know about the crypto broker. So let's start right here with Coinbase, and the main focus on Coinbase is beginner-friendly crypto trading. If you look right here to crypto.com, the main focus on crypto.com is crypto ecosystem with trading, payment and rewards. Then if you look to best for, and with that I mean Coinbase is the best for beginners and long-term holders, and crypto.com is the best for crypto users seeking an all-in-one platform. The trading tools on Coinbase are simple, very simple to buy and sell, staking, and they have a basic chart. Crypto.com has spot trading, staking, crypto cards and rewards too. If you look to the interface, Coinbase is extremely simple and easy to use, and Crypto.com is modern and it's a mobile first platform. So when you're using a lot of crypto trading software, or do you want to trade a lot with your phone, I recommend you to use Crypto.com. And if you look to the fees and trading costs, Coinbase has higher fees, simple interface premium, and Crypto.com has competitive fees with all platform incentives. So if you ask me, many crypto users use Coinbase for simple crypto buying, secure storage and long-term investing, and many crypto users use Coinbase for crypto trading, staking, rewards, crypto payments, and all-in-one crypto ecosystem. So hopefully after seeing this video, you know exactly right now which platform will fit you the best. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.